Hi, we're here today to talk about the Lesco 2-gallon Zero Pump 7.2 volt lithium-ion powered sprayer. So this is one of the new sprayers in the line. I'm going to talk first and foremost about the tank design, then I'll talk about the way the head works and some of the applications and users. So one of the things you'll notice about this tank is it is a taper tank that gets wider as you get down to the base. So the beauty of that is it's going to give you a very wide footprint, so it's less tippy when you're using it on the job site. So a little bit more stability. There's a unique wand retention system in here. The top collar has a clamp, and then down at the bottom you have a base. Now the base is kind of unique in that it has a spot to retain your nozzles. So if you're lifting and putting your sprayer down, that's protecting your nozzles from getting damaged or clogged. It also works as a drip tray. So if you are walking across a lawn or a hard surface and you have a few drips, it's not going to go down onto the surface of the workspace and create a mess for you. On the side of the tank, there is a pressure release mechanism. So when this is pressurized up and you shut it off, you can bleed all the pressure by pulling the pressure release. And now you can open it up without any fears of any overspray spraying out of the tank onto you. All right, let's talk about the hose and wand. So the hose is a 48-inch reinforced hose, so it gives you plenty of freedom of movement while you're spraying. The shutoff system is very similar to what you guys are already familiar with the no-leak backpack, so it is a very ergonomic design, very comfortable in the hand, rubber overmolded grip, very comfortable, squeeze to turn it on, and there is a lock-on mechanism here, which can be controlled one-handed. Inside the handle there is a filter, and that filter will prevent clogging here in the shutoff or down the line in the nozzles. So a new addition, took the traditional Lesco poly wand and added a stainless steel sleeve over the poly wand, and what that's done is it's made it 4 times harder to bend, 6 times harder to crush, so a lot more durable for your pro contractor. Nozzle selection, so you're going to get 3 nozzles with this sprayer. So this is the standard adjustable nozzle. It can adjust for a long wide pin stream or a wide conical pattern. Additionally, with this design, we provide the red high flow fan nozzle and the yellow lower flow fan nozzle. Because these come with a Viton cap nut, the beauty is that they're designed so that you can add another T-jet nozzle to this of your choice if you want to, and it'll mount right on the actual nut. So let's go ahead and remove the head and explain or talk about how this works. Pretty simple. 7.2 volt lithium-ion battery up in the handle. You've got a motor, a pump, and a pressure switch in here, so that when I turn this on, it is going to blow out of the Viton check valve in the bottom into the tank. When it hits 24 psi, the check valve and the pressure switch is going to shut this off. So as you're using the sprayer and the pressure drops down to 16 psi, it'll kick back on. So to charge this, I remove the rubber port here, include a charger, plugs this in here, and then this part goes into the wall, 3 hours to charge the head up. And now on a charge, you will be able to spray up to 24 gallons or 12 tanks. So for most users, that's about 2 days worth of work. Real simple, just thread it down till it's snug, hit the switch, and away you go. So let's talk about some of the users. This unit is Viton sealed throughout, and the benefit here is that it was designed first and foremost for the landscaper. So if they're spraying herbicides or fungicides or they're spraying liquid fertilizers, fantastic for that. For those of you that are selling liquid ice melt in the wintertime, it will spray the calcium chlorides and the magnesium chlorides with no problem. Hardscapes, huge growth area for Site 1. So this sprayer is fantastic for spraying bleach-based cleaners onto surfaces for killing mold and mildew. It's also good if you want to do some concrete applications like spraying a water-based stain onto concrete. As a follow-up, also water-based sealers, both penetrating siloxanes and surface films up to about 20% solids. Lastly, we're in a unique time in our history. COVID-19 is a real problem. And the question's coming out on all the job sites, how do I treat and sanitize the areas that I work in or I live in? Because these seals are optimized for a wide range of chemicals, that also includes things like chlorine dioxide, hydrogen peroxide, any kind of chlorine-based, and also your quaternary ammoniums. This sprayer is actually optimal for spraying sanitizers to kill COVID-19 viruses and other bacteria. So it's another great opportunity for you to use this and multi-purpose it. So you can find this at your local Site One store. You'll find that because the powered head works faster, you save 20% of your time, you spray more efficiently. This is a game changer.